A family in Missouri was visiting grandparents and helping with yard work one afternoon in May of 2022. They had brought along their beloved 3-year-old rescue dog, Apollo, when they suddenly noticed the dog is coughing and choking. Erica Hansen and her partner, Eric Bacon, rushed Apollo to the vet, believing he may have been bitten by a snake. But X-rays showed something else. Apollo had been shot with a pellet gun. The dog died a short time later, and that's when Eric Bacon returned to the neighborhood to confront the man who lived next door. And as he did, he hit record.
You own a pellet gun?
Yes, I do.
You shoot my dog?
Why?
Because he's dead.
What?
You shot my dog? You shot my dog.
What was your dog doing in my yard?